Hello everyone, welcome to BDSK Online Classes. Myself Sanjay Verma. Dear students, I hope that all of you feeling well and doing hard study at your houses, and also play an important role to helping your parents. Dear students, in my last video I told you about acid and their properties with few examples. That is a part of lesson 5th, that is acid, base and salts. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about base, that means char. Okay, that is a base. This means char. Okay, dear students, bases are those chemical compounds which have bitter taste. What? Bitter taste. Bitter taste. Okay, that have bitter taste. Soapy to touch, उन्हें आप छुओगे हाथ से तो स्लिप करेंगे, स्लिपी होते हैं, साबुन जैसा स्लिप करते हैं. सोपी टू टच. ओके, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू आर्हेनियस, बेसेस आर दो सब्सटेंस दैट हैव कैपेसिटी टू गिव OH माइनस आयन. व्हाट? OH माइनस आयन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन. हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन और हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन. हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन means the compounds that have capacity to give OH minus ion in a aqueous solution, means in water, called as base. means ऐसे पदार्थ, ऐसे केमिकल कंपाउंड जिनके पास क्षमता होती है वाटर में, दैट इज एक्वस सॉल्यूशन, जली विलयन में OH माइनस आयन देने की, क्षार कहलाते हैं. दिस कॉन्सेप्ट वाज गिवन बाय आर्हेनियस. व्हाट? आर्हेनियस. ओके, आर्हेनियस. ओके, you can see here this is a compound that dissolve in water and give K plus and OH minus ion. Okay, this is the ion that is given by this compound in aqueous solution. Okay, understood? So this compound is called as base. There are number of the examples of bases, that is KOH, potassium hydroxide, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, NaOH, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, NH4OH, अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, CaOH whole twice, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. ओके, सो देयर आर number of examples of base. Okay, and I want to tell you one thing, that is the bases which are water soluble are called as alkaline. क्या कहलाते हैं बेटा? alkaline. They are water soluble. Means water soluble bases are called as alkaline. That is NaOH, KOH, NH4OH, AlOH whole thrice. These are water soluble bases and called as alkaline. That is sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide. Okay, and dear students, there are different properties of the bases. That is bases have pH more than 7. Okay, बेसों का pH कितना होता है बेटा? more than 7 होता है. What? more than 7. Okay, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and bases have bitter taste. I already told you that. Next is bases are soapy to touch. Means जब आप उन्हें छुएंगे तो वो स्लिप करेंगे. And next is these are good electrolyte. Means are good conductor of electricity. Okay, आप बेस के सोल्यूशन में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बहुत अच्छे से फ्लो होती है. Why? Because they gives ions. Okay, any liquid that have ions or that gives ion and dissolving in aqueous solution are good conductor or electrolyte of the electricity. Okay, and usage. Dear students, there are number of usage of bases. Means bases are used in following tasks such as in preparation of baking soda. Baking soda is also in preparation of baking powder from baking soda. That is a alkaline nature. Okay, next it is used in paper factories. As a sodium carbonate. Okay, and next is they turn red litmus to blue. Okay, and bases also give an important role in antacid. What? Antacid. Means they remove the acidity of stomach on neutralizing इट मीन्स यदि आपको एसिडिटी आपके पेट में है तो आप बेकिंग सोडा का यूज कर दीजिए। ये क्या करेगा, आपके पेट की एसिडिटी को क्या करेगा, न्यूट्रलाइज करके आपको रिलीफ पहुंचाएगा। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर दी यूजेज ऑफ बेसिस एंड देयर इज अ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट यूज ऑफ बेस, दैट इज इन प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉप। व्हाट? इन प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सोप। बेटा इसका प्रयोग साउंड बनाने में भी किया जाता है, दैट इज सोडियम स्टायरेट, सोडियम पाल्मिटेट, पोटेशियम पाल्मिटेट, दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द सोप व्हिच आर कंसिस्टेड बाय potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. So I hope that all of you understood about definition of the base, their examples, their properties and their usage. Dear students, in my next video I will teach you about neutralization reaction. Okay, thank you, have a peaceful day.